Hello everyone, my name is Abhishek and this is my submission for the Code Basics virtual internship. And in this presentation, we'll look into the analysis of WaveCon Telecom's performance after the launch of 5G services. So let's get started. In this presentation, we'll look at the KPI analysis. In that, we'll look at the total revenue, average revenue per customer, total active users, and total unsubscribed users. Then we will look at the market share analysis, and we also look at the plans analysis by comparing various plans, and then we will look at the key recommendations for the company. So as we know, the 5G is India was launched on October 2022, and the India's 5G market is valued at $7,000 million in 2022, and it is projected to grow at a rate of 43.8%. And India is also the fourth largest market for 5G phones, and its number is expected to grow to 144 million by 2025. So we'll start our analysis. First is the revenue. So before the launch of 5G, the revenue was 16.0 billion, and after the launch of 5G, the revenue decreased to 15.9 billion, which is around minus 50%, which is 0.50% decrease from the previous revenue. And if you look at the revenue by cities, the top three cities are Lucknow, Gurgaon, and Patna, and the bottom three cities are Delhi, Chennai, and Ahmedabad. Now we will look at the average revenue per user. So the monthly average for this is around 207 rupees, and before the launch of 5G it was around 190.2 rupees, and after the launch of 5G it is increased to 211.3 rupees with 11.5% of increase. And in this, the top three cities are Mumbai, Patna, and Lucknow. Next we will see the total active users. So before the launch of 5G, the total active users were 84.4 million, and after the launch of 5G it reduced to 77.4 million with minus 8.25% of decrease. Then the top 5 cities in terms of user are Mumbai, Kolkata, Delhi, Bangalore, and Chennai. And in the monthly trend as well, we can see that the number of total active users are decreasing month wise. Now we will look at the total unsubscribed users. So before the launch of 5G, it was around 5.6 million, and after the launch of 5G, it reached to 7 million with 23.50% of increase in the total unsubscribed users. And in this indicator, the top cities are Mumbai, Delhi, Kolkata, Bangalore, and Chennai. And in monthly trend, we can see that the number of unsubscribed users after the launch of 5G is also increasing. Now we'll look at the market share. In market share from this graph, we can see that the leading brands in the market are PO, Brittle, and third is the WaveCon. And the top 5 revenue generating cities here are Mumbai, Delhi, Kolkata, Bangalore, and Chennai. And the bottom 5 revenue generating cities are Patna, Coimbatore, Chandigarh, Gurgaon, and Raipur. Now we will do some comparison of the plans. So the first and the most popular plan is the Smart Recharge Pack with the total revenue of 4.2 billion, and revenue before the 5G was 1.8 billion, and after the launch of 5G it increased to 2.4 billion. Then second most popular plan is Super Savior Pack with the total revenue of 3.0 billion, and in this the revenue before 5G was 1.5 billion, and revenue after the 5G was is 1.5 billion. The third popular plan is the Elite Saver Pack with the total revenue of 2.6 billion, and the revenue before 5G was 1.3 billion, and uh, after the launch of 5G the revenue remained the same with 1.3 billion. And here we can see the lowest performing plan is this 25 GB combo data pack with 155.6 million revenue after the launch of 5G. So let's look at some of the recommendations to increase the number of active users. So the company should improve the network quality and customer service by investing in infrastructure, technology, and training. They should reduce the tariff rates or any hidden charges by offering more affordable and transparent plan or packages to users. Then third recommendation is that they can increase the brand value or reputation of the company by promoting its strengths, achievements, and social responsibility. And the fourth recommendation is that they should differentiate their company from its competitors by offering better 5G services or other unique features or incentives to users. And fifth recommendation is that they should innovate their products, plans, and offers of the company by keeping up with the latest trends and user demands. So that's it for presentation. Thank you so much. And also want to say thank you to Code Basics teams, Dhaval sir and Hemanand sir, for giving this opportunity to me. Thank you so much.